Are you trying to figure out the best email service for your business? Today, we're comparing SendGrid and Mailgun. Both tools help you send emails, but they have some key differences. SendGrid is known for its user friendly interface. It's great for marketers and developers. You can easily create and send emails, track performance, and manage your contacts. It also offers a wide range of templates to make your emails look professional. On the other hand, Mailgun focuses more on developers. It provides powerful APIs for sending, receiving, and tracking emails. This makes it a strong choice for those who want to integrate email features into their apps. Mailgun also offers advanced analytics to help you understand your email performance better. Now, let's talk about what sets them apart. SendGrid is often preferred for its ease of use and great customer support. Mailgun, however, shines with its robust API and flexibility for developers. When it comes to features, both tools offer email validation, tracking, and analytics. SendGrid has a more visual dashboard, while Mailgun provides detailed logs for developers. If you want a simple setup, SendGrid might be the way to go. But if you need more control and customization, Mailgun could be your best bet. In terms of pricing, SendGrid has a free tier with limited features. Mailgun also offers a free trial, but its pricing scales based on usage, which might be better for larger businesses. So, who should choose what? If you're a marketer or a small business owner, SendGrid is likely a better fit. But if you're a developer looking for powerful tools, Mailgun is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.